Good morning. Hey, I got a question. So, do you have a problem with high blood pressure? Do you have a problem with, heart issues, um, emotional instability, the inability to forgive and release hurt, the inability to judge people fairly? In other words, you judging too harshly. Does any of that ring a bell? If so, you may be experiencing a heart chakra blockage. Now, the heart chakra is all about your emotions. It's all about keeping your emotional self in line and in harmony with the universe. So, one of the best ways to clear that blockage up and to help with that, another singing bowl. So, I'm going to sound this for about a minute, and I want you to just take it in and let it do what it does. Let the vibration of the bowl, of the sound the bowl makes, do what it needs to do. Here we go. Another thing that the heart chakra is also related to is the immune system. So if you're having any immune system issues, make sure and check your chakra alignment on the heart. Um, a lot of times we get sick and it can be related to the heart chakra. So I hope you've learned something. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace and have a wonderful day.